picked up 2 of these dinosaurs at a swap meet. I thought they were pretty cool. This one is, whatever this is.
Yanquinosaurus.
This dinosaur, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his name. But he has a pretty cool chomping jaw feature. I wish his mouth would stay closed instead of always open. But, you know, he has a pretty cool feature. You could control his upper body with his tail, make him thrash back and forth. I think it's pretty fun. His little arms are somewhat posable, mostly at the shoulders. Can rotate and tilt in. That slashing motion. And of course, his jaw is articulated. His legs have no articulation at the foot or ankle or knee, just at the hip, which is kind of disappointing. And then, of course, his tail is articulated and his triggers for his dinosaur actions right there. He has this Dino DNA Scanner doohickey thing here. This one, for some reason, doesn't stick to its location anymore, so it falls out. I think there was a Jurassic World app that you could use to scan the dinosaurs. He's pretty cool. I like him. He's not very big. Comes up to about the waist of my g.i.joe. Probably wouldn't be whatever dinosaur he is or was in history. Maybe he's like some sort of genetic mutation or something. Thought he'd make a nice bad guy monster critter of some sort. This is the other one I picked up. I got these both. I think they were $5 for both of them. He's this dinosaur.
Cararodonttosaurus.
Of course, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it, but we could let AI do that for us. He has his little switch is kind of messed up, so he doesn't do his action very smoothly. Just bobbles his head. His arms are articulated like the other one, just at the shoulders, not at the wrist or elbow. And his legs are also at the same articulation, and his tail has some articulation to it. He has a little bit of articulation at the ankles. I like this one better because his mouth stays shut. In my photo stories, these will probably just be creatures that they've created with maybe some Dino DNA or something. I'm not really sure yet. They're a little underscale for what they would have been, but that's okay. They don't have to be the exact same thing. Compared to my Indominus Rex, they're a bit smaller, but I think they'll be a pretty cool group of mutant dinosaurs. It'll be fun. I look forward to using them in photo stories. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for checking it out. It was pretty cool picking up more creatures for my g.i.joes to fight against. Look forward to using these in photo stories. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like these dinosaurs from the Jurassic World, Jurassic Park series? I do. I like them a lot. I think they're pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd really appreciate it. And click that like button. Share this video if you know anybody who would enjoy it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.